The newest Gabor luxury designer wig series are here, and I already know you're going to love them. How do I know? The styles are everything you've asked for. We've created one short, one mid-length, one long look, so there's something for everyone. I can hardly wait to show you these beautiful new styles. So let's get started. Full finesse, the longest, temple to temple lace front, monofilament part. Okay, my friend, can we turn around? I just got to show you the back on this wig. Absolutely beautiful. Love the length, love the choppy layers, just sits mid-back, and it's a length that anybody could wear. Conquer the waves. The mid-length, temple to temple lace front, monofilament part. Look at this. Just love the texture, love the way the wig moves, and just a bang-on trend bob. And then come round to the front, we got this gorgeous wispy bang, but it's still got temple to temple lace, so we can change the part if we need to. Jaw dropper, the shortest. Okay, I love a pixie cut. If you'd be surprised, with a shortcut, you can get so many looks out of it. Really create volume and texture at the crown. A lovely piecey bang. We've got a little lace front in there as well. A beautiful silhouette, but I gotta show you the back, my friends. This is what we love. Just stepped out of the salon, fabulous hair. Fresh, modern, with lots of natural movement. Flattering, and like all Gabor wigs, so effortless and easy to wear. The Gabor Designer Series, inspired and created for you. Let us know what you love and what you'd like us to design next.